Hello viewers, my third video on PDFgear. Once again 4 commands are shared and more to come in this series. Let's go to the screen. This is the link for download and we will open convert from PDF next to hot tools. So first we will open PDF to text. Let's go for convert from PDF. Open this and PDF to text. Click it. Now add the file. We will add or browse the PDF file to the software and then we'll simply move convert. The same will be converted into text file or notepad file. This is txt file, editable and readable. Next is PDF to Excel. Same method, add file and let's go browse it, click on the file, open file and then convert. Now PDF file has been turned into Excel soft file, so you can do your editing. Let's move for PDF to PPT or presentation. Same steps are required here. Choose the file you wish to convert into presentation, then convert, and your file would be converted into PDF. Orientation of the slide can be done further from the same in presentation. That's up to you. It's full view screen. Now let's go and the last one, PDF to RTF. RTF is the format of MS Word file which can open in any version of MS Word, either that is earlier version or latest version. So browse the file, click open and now let's go and click convert. Now it would be simply converted into RTF, or it is also called rich text format. This format is readable or can be opened in almost all versions of MS Word. It's also editable. I'm doing editing. You can add, delete, cut, paste the way you require. It's one of the fantastic software which is also free. So I hope you would have liked. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe my video.